So my teen is using a locker this year for the first time. She picked this out for her locker, and it hit right for her right out of the box. She liked the chevron design. She likes the simplicity and the color, and everything really does go beautifully together. It is a complete set. It comes with everything you need. The mirror, it comes with the whiteboard, the clothespin magnets, the marker organizer with the magnet on back, the shelf, and it all matches. It is modern and it is fun. The soft blue and the gold accents. It's clean, it's trendy without being over the top. She picked this one because it didn't have a wallpaper. She didn't want the wallpaper, so we picked this one. This is gonna be an instant locker upgrade. She had the shelf set up in minutes, this assembled quickly, and she's gonna pop this in on locker move-in day. Without hesitation, I would rebuy this. This kit is going to make decorating her locker so much easier, and she really loves it, and she's super excited, all while letting her show her style. This is her style, simple, clean, and modern. Highly recommend.